Some political party politics. A section of Ford Kenya leaders have told off UDA Party Secretary General Cleophas Malala over a call to affiliate parties in the ruling Kenya Kwanza coalition to join UDA. The party leaders say they will not dissolve the party, cautioning that Malala's push risks causing friction within the ruling coalition.
Members of Ford Kenya, we are telling Cleophas Malala that there is nowhere in the agreement of Kenya Kwanza coalition where we agreed that once we form government, we will dissolve political parties forming up Kenya Kwanza to join UDA. In fact, having separate individual political parties within Kenya Kwanza, it is a sign of strength within the Kenya coalition political parties. And Cleophas Malala, instead of calling for dissolving or killing of partner members within the Kenya Kwanza, he should advocate for the strengthening of political parties within the Kenya Kwanza coalition.
Na tuko na umoja saizi. Umoja wetu umeweza kuimarishwa chini ya viongozi wetu wawili ambaye ni Mheshimiwa Moses Masika Wetangula na Mheshimiwa Musalia Mudavadi. Sasa wewe Malala, usitumike kama kibaraka kukuja kuleta zogozogo, kuleta mvutano, kuleta hali ya taharuki, kuleta hali ya mshike katika jamii ya Mlembe kupitia kwa hii projo yako ya kusema kwamba vyama yetu viweze kuwa dissolved.
As Ford Kenya, we are one and we are not ready to dissolve our party to join UDA. Kama umekosa kazi ya kufanya, kindly join Ford Kenya.
Well, we want to thank you very much for watching and joining us tonight on KTN Newsline. On behalf of Marisha Witi, a sign language interpreter, my name is Eric Latif, bidding you a good evening. Enjoy the rest of your viewing.